Yeah. So I welcome you all to my screen. Crypto Lord can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so I'll be talking about this crypto AI bots for so many long. This crypto AI bots gives you signals for you to trade manually, and it's also auto trade for you. Yeah. So for the past 3 days, some of the users, including me, we have been witnessing some losses in the trade. And today I got a message from them, and I think all the users all got the message. Yeah, so when you open your notification, you can see that they say, "Dear user, we are aware that many of your trades have resulted in losses over the past 3 days. We sincerely apologize. Our system was compromised due to security breach. The issue has now been fully resolved." So that means they have now resolved their issue. You see, it's a machine, it's a system, and this can be hacked and stuff. So that thing, yeah. So after receiving the message, I just did my first trade so that I would not come here to mess up. So my first trade was in profit, was in profit, was in profit. Let me see. So my first trade was in profit. You can see that I've been losing since 3 days now. That's why I've never been like you have never seen my video for the past 3 days now. Yeah, Charlie, I was passing through a lot. I was like, yo, why? But everything is solved now. Yeah. So I want to do my scan trade. Yeah. So people are mistaking this thing. Like, you see, it's only the manual trade that you need to subscribe. That's the $50. But the auto trade, you don't need any subscription. You just deposit to your crypto arbitrage wallet and you start trading. Yeah, and you start trading. Yeah, and I also have my Telegram channel in my description. You can also see my VIP Signal group and my free Signal group all in the description as well. Join and let's make money together. Yeah, so you can see that when you open here, as a newbie and you don't know much about the crypto AI bot, you can go in for the demo and you trade on the demo account so that you'll be perfect. Yeah, but if you want to make money like me, you switch to the real account. Yeah, so you can see that when I show you the real account, we have select spread. The higher the spread, the higher reward and higher risk. Yeah, but I'll go in for what max risk. Yeah, max risk. That one. The reason why it's risk is that, like, maybe the boat will be searching for, let's say, 2.0%, and you're searching for 3%. So you're giving the boat extra tax. So when the boat don't meet it, it will go in for smaller tax, and your profits can be reduced. But when it can go in for the higher tax, you can still be making higher profit. Yeah, but so as a beginner, I would advise you to go in from the 0.5 to 1.5. But as a pro and a risk taker, you go in with the higher. So let me go with 2.5%, 2.5%, and I'll go in 11,006 to 4. Yeah, the boat is making sure that you are making profit. That's the thing. Yeah, so the losses that we were making was because their system was hacked. Yeah, that's why we were all facing those kind of challenges. But I think it's now solved. Yeah, and we can make our money now. Yeah. So right now it's doing the initializing. That's when it's connecting to the exchanges. And if you need the boat, it's $40, and I'll set it up for you and show you how to use it. Yeah, show you how to use it as well. Yeah. Yeah, so it's connecting to the exchanges. And one thing is that it doesn't take time, like just some small time, then it's done. Yeah. Yeah. And you can also use it for signals. It can also give you signals to trade manually. It gives you more than 50 signals a day. Yeah. So let's see how much are we making. Yeah. I know most of the users were complaining for this past 2 days, but everything is solved now, so we can start making our losses back. We can start making our money back. It's payback time, bro. Let's make our money back. Let's make our money back. So it's currently doing the preheating. That's where the boat's warming up connection and fetching live prices. Yeah. So it's doing the preheating. So it's doing the preheating, so you have to take time. Yeah. But one thing is that it doesn't take more than 10 minutes. It's not like other boats are taking 24 hours, but this one doesn't take more than 10 minutes, and you see everything. So it's doing the preheating. So after the preheating, then it goes straight to the arbitraging. Yeah. Yeah. So right now it's currently trading right now. Yeah. So you can see that it's showing you where it's buying and where it's selling. And over here is the spread. Yeah. So the green is buy and the red is sell. So it's showing you everything. Yeah. So it's still trading, bro. So you have to wait small. Yeah. So you can see that my wins was 131, but for this past 3 days I've been making losses. That's the 4 losses. Have you seen it? Yeah. But the boat said that it was a mistake for us to make losses. Yeah. Because the boat promised us to make profits every day. Yeah. So I'm done with my first trade and I made profit. So let me wait for my next trade and see. So it's almost done. Yeah, so it's almost done. Yeah, okay. So it's done. And my expected profit is what, 47.59 USDT. That's what I'm expecting. Yeah, so it means that right now the profit has what started. Yeah. So I'm having 4,084, right? So let's see if it will add up. Yeah. So if you need the boat is just $40. Yeah, $40, and you can use it for manual trade and auto trade as well. So let's see. Boom. Have you seen it? Yeah. So that's how it is. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.